Hey friends! Today we are exploring the top-rated car glass breakers to ensure your safety and peace of mind while driving. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car glass breakers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Yeria Car Glass Breaker. This powerhouse tool is specifically engineered for high-stress emergency situations where every split second matters. Its high-impact safety hammer is capable of shattering solid-tempered side windows in only 1 second, facilitating a rapid escape for everyone inside the vehicle. You also get a built-in U-shaped stainless steel seatbelt cutter that slices through jammed belts effortlessly without risking accidental cuts to your fingers. Measuring a mere 3.6 inches, it is incredibly lightweight and easy to store on a keychain or center console. The sleek and durable design makes it a thoughtful gift for family members, providing them with essential roadside protection and lasting peace of mind. Next up, our second product, the Smosen Car Glass Breaker. This reliable 2-in-1 device is a vital addition to your vehicle's safety kit, featuring a high-pressure tungsten steel tip. Generating an impressive 20 kgf of impact force, it shatters side windows instantly during floods or accidents while keeping the sharp tip safely retracted until needed. The integrated seatbelt cutter uses a professional-grade stainless steel blade hidden within a protective notch to ensure you can cut free without any risk of injury. Its upgraded anti-slip handle is ergonomically shaped with specialized bumps for a solid grip, even if your hands are wet or shaking. At just 4 inches long, it fits perfectly on a keychain, making it highly accessible for any sudden emergency scenario. Coming in at number 3, the Vunpak Car Glass Breaker. Designed with a focus on durability and repeated use, this tool utilizes a high-pressure spring to deliver a concentrated 6 kg force through its tungsten steel tip. The innovative spring-loaded mechanism automatically resets after every strike, which is incredibly useful if you need to clear multiple windows in a hurry. It features a sleek frosted metal finish and an enhanced anti-slip grip that ensures you maintain full control during frantic moments. The dual-pack configuration is a major plus, allowing you to secure one in the front and one in the rear for total passenger coverage. It also includes a convenient mounting base and keychain attachment for maximum accessibility whenever trouble strikes. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Edgiarc Car Glass Breaker. This compact yet robust survival tool combines a professional-grade window breaker with a precision seatbelt cutter in a single, lightweight package. The reinforced tungsten steel head is built to deliver consistent shattering force against tempered glass, ensuring a clear path to safety during rollovers or floods. Safety is prioritized with a hidden stainless steel blade that slices through the thickest seatbelt webbing while keeping your hands completely protected from cuts. Its ergonomic handle is crafted from high-strength, corrosion-resistant plastic, making it durable enough to survive extreme cabin temperatures over many years of use. Because it measures only 3.6 inches, you can easily tuck it into a door pocket for immediate reach. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Ockbit Car Glass Breaker. This heavy-duty emergency tool stands out with its all-metal construction, designed to withstand extreme impact, intense heat, and even complete underwater submersion. Its high-hardness tungsten steel tip is capable of shattering tempered glass up to 12 mm thick in just 1 second, making it one of the most powerful options available. The seatbelt cutter is intelligently positioned at a 45-degree angle to provide maximum leverage and speed when every moment counts during a rescue. Its non-slip, textured handle ensures a firm hold in the most frantic situations, providing professional-level reliability. This rigorously tested device is a premium safety investment that offers true peace of mind for any responsible driver. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.